Welcome SAS Learning. Tech layoffs, a growing concern in the technology industry. In recent years, tech layoffs have become a growing concern in the technology industry. A layoff occurs when a company reduces its workforce by terminating the employment of one or more employees. This can be due to a variety of reasons such as restructuring, lack of funding, or shifting business strategies. Tech layoffs can have a significant impact on the lives of the affected employees and their families, and can also have broader implications for the technology industry as a whole. Reasons for tech layoffs. There are several reasons why companies in the technology industry may choose to lay off employees. One of the most common reasons is restructuring. Companies may restructure their operations to become more efficient and reduce costs. This often involves reducing the size of their workforce and eliminating positions that are deemed unnecessary. Another reason for tech layoffs is a lack of funding. Companies in the tech industry are often heavily reliant on investments to fund their operations, and when investment funding dries up, they may be forced to lay off employees in order to cut costs. This can be especially challenging for startups that are trying to establish themselves in a highly competitive market. Shifting business strategies can also result in tech layoffs. Companies may choose to pivot their focus to new products or markets, which can result in the elimination of positions that are no longer aligned with their new direction. This is especially common in the tech industry, where innovation and adaptation are essential for survival. Impact of tech layoffs on employees. Tech layoffs can have a significant impact on the lives of the affected employees. Losing one's job is a traumatic experience, and the sudden loss of income can be devastating for workers and their families. In many cases, tech layoffs can result in long-term unemployment, as employees struggle to find new jobs in a highly competitive market. In addition to the financial impact, tech layoffs can also have a profound emotional impact on employees. The sudden loss of a job can lead to feelings of insecurity, anxiety, and depression. It can also damage an individual's confidence and self-esteem, making it difficult for them to find new employment. Impact of tech layoffs on the technology industry. Tech layoffs can also have broader implications for the technology industry as a whole. The sudden loss of jobs can result in a decrease in consumer confidence, which can negatively impact the overall economy. This is especially true in regions where the tech industry is a major contributor to the local economy, as a large number of layoffs can result in a ripple effect that affects other industries. Furthermore, tech layoffs can also result in a loss of talent and expertise. When companies lay off employees, they are also losing valuable employees who may have developed unique skills and knowledge over the years. This can be detrimental to the company, as well as the technology industry as a whole, as the loss of talent and expertise can slow innovation and progress. Conclusion. Tech layoffs are a growing concern in the technology industry, and can have a significant impact on the lives of affected employees and the industry as a whole. Companies should consider the impact of layoffs on their employees and their broader impact on the industry before making the decision to reduce their workforce. Additionally, employees should take steps to protect themselves, such as building a diverse skill set, networking, and maintaining a strong professional reputation. With a focus on innovation, collaboration, and empathy, the technology industry can work together to minimize the impact of tech layoffs and create a more stable and prosperous future for all. Thanks you.